Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Taking care of your tires doesn't have to be difficult. With a few simple maintenance habits and an understanding of today's tire technology, you can extend tire life and enjoy a safer driving experience. Most experts recommend rotating tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles or during every oil change if the schedule matches your vehicle's maintenance plan. Regular rotation can extend tire life and provide more consistent handling throughout the life of the tires. Wheel alignment is equally important. Driving over potholes, curbs, or rough roads can knock your wheels out of alignment. Misaligned wheels cause uneven tire wear and make the vehicle pull to one side while driving. If your steering wheel is no longer centered when driving straight, or if your vehicle drifts without steering input, it may be time for an alignment inspection. Wheel balancing also helps maximize tire life. Tires and wheels should spin evenly at all speeds. An unbalanced tire may cause steering wheel vibration, uneven tread wear, and unnecessary stress on suspension components. Balancing is usually performed whenever new tires are installed or when noticeable vibration develops. Different driving habits also affect tire lifespan. Gentle acceleration, smooth braking, and careful cornering place less stress on tires than aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration, hard braking, and high-speed cornering generate additional heat and wear the rubber much faster. Drivers who frequently carry heavy loads or tow trailers may also experience faster tire wear due to increased weight. Climate plays a major role in tire durability. Hot climates accelerate rubber aging because continuous heat causes tires to deteriorate faster. In colder regions, winter temperatures require specialized winter tires for maximum safety. All-season tires provide reasonable performance in many climates but may not offer the same level of grip during severe winter conditions. Electric vehicles have become increasingly popular in 2027, and many owners are surprised to learn that EV tires may wear faster than those on gasoline-powered vehicles. Electric cars produce instant torque, which can increase tire wear during acceleration. In addition, the heavier battery packs place greater weight on the tires. Many tire manufacturers now produce tires specifically designed for electric vehicles to improve durability and efficiency. Some newer tires introduced in 2027 feature advanced rubber compounds, improved tread designs, and smart tire technology. Certain premium models include embedded sensors that monitor tire pressure, temperature, tread wear, and even road conditions in real time. These innovations help drivers monitor tire health more accurately and schedule maintenance before problems become serious. Even with advanced technology, routine visual inspections remain essential. Technology can provide warnings, but it cannot replace a careful inspection by the driver. Taking a few minutes every month to inspect your tires can prevent unexpected breakdowns and improve overall road safety. Seasonal tire changes remain common in regions with changing weather. Drivers who use dedicated winter tires should replace them with summer or all-season tires once temperatures consistently rise. Winter tires wear much faster during warm weather because their softer rubber compounds are designed for cold temperatures. Storage is another factor that affects tire lifespan. If you store seasonal tires, keep them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, chemicals, and electric motors that produce ozone. Proper storage slows rubber aging and helps preserve tire condition until the next season. Many drivers wonder whether they should replace just one tire or all four. If only one tire is damaged and the remaining tires have plenty of tread left, replacing a single tire may be acceptable for some vehicles. However, vehicles with all-wheel drive systems often require all four tires to have nearly identical tread depth. Large differences in tire size caused by uneven wear may place extra stress on the drivetrain. Always follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. Buying quality tires is an investment in safety. While budget tires may have lower upfront costs, premium tires often provide better traction, longer tread life, quieter rides, and improved fuel efficiency. Comparing warranty coverage, tread life ratings, and independent performance tests can help drivers choose the best tire for their needs. Regular maintenance also saves money in the long run. Proper inflation, tire rotation, alignment, balancing, and careful driving can add thousands of miles to the life of a tire. Spending a little time on preventive maintenance often delays expensive replacements and reduces fuel costs. Ignoring worn tires can lead to serious consequences. Longer stopping distances, poor handling, reduced fuel economy, increased blowout risk, and loss of traction are all common problems associated with old or damaged tires. These risks become even greater during rain, snow, or emergency situations where every foot of braking distance matters. Creating a simple tire maintenance routine makes ownership much easier. Check tire pressure monthly. Inspect tread depth regularly. Rotate tires on schedule. Watch for uneven wear or visible damage. Schedule wheel alignments whenever needed. Replace tires when tread becomes too shallow or when age limits are reached. No matter what type of vehicle you drive in 2027, whether it is a compact sedan, family SUV, pickup truck, hybrid, or fully electric vehicle, healthy tires remain one of the biggest contributors to road safety. They improve handling, shorten braking distances, increase fuel efficiency, and provide greater confidence behind the wheel. Understanding when to change your tires is not just about following a mileage number. It involves paying attention to tire age, tread depth, maintenance history, driving conditions, and overall tire health. By inspecting your tires regularly and replacing them before they become unsafe, you protect yourself, your passengers, and everyone else sharing the road. Good tires are one of the smartest investments any driver can make, helping ensure every journey is safer, smoother, and more enjoyable. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.